Week 1, Lecture 1 of Ecommerce class 2019-2020, Semester 1. Class just recently concluded about half an hour ago. What we discussed today was the preparation of the entire syllabus for this term. We spoke about starting an online business as it relates to an online art rental company, how we're going to create a business plan for that, how we are going to not only create a business plan but also launch this business, right? What are the barriers to doing so? How can we come together as a team and get that done the entire semester? We spoke about having to deal with the framework Laravel for this entire semester and how that could be beneficial to us. We also spoke about the pros and cons of working with different personality types and the soft skills that is needed towards the success of any business or any professional throughout their career. So this entire lecture is more so a preparatory lecture for the entire semester. It was an exciting and very fun and informative lecture. So thank you.